Hello everyone, so in today's video we are going to do a full walkthrough of Resorts World / the Hilton here in Bimini, Bahamas. So I'm going to partially narrate it for you just to keep you updated as where we are or any other key information. We're going to show you the whole resort including the casino, which was really tricky for us to get some footage. So obviously here we are starting in the front lobby and let's get started. This area here is going to be one of their restaurants called the Sushi Bar, open most evenings. The Tides is another restaurant here in Resorts World, and it is open most days for breakfast and then again for dinner. Now we're walking out to the ground level pool here at Resorts World. There are two pools in this resort. This one's going to be your bigger one and it's going to be right on the water's edge. So this is going to be your first level pool. And as we head back inside, you're going to have some restrooms to the left, and then this is their little arcade area. We went from the first floor to the 5th floor. This is where we're going to find that beautiful infinity pool, the fitness center, and the salon. After going down the hallway, you are going to land here at the gym. And directly to the left of the gym, you're going to find the Serenity Salon, where you can see here there's going to be a bunch of pedicure chairs, manicure stations, and some areas where they would do your hair. We weren't exactly sure what this was because the doors were locked, but it looks something like maybe a spa or a shopping area with goods for skincare and things like that. And after passing the elevators that we took originally to get up here, we are now going to be at the Infinity Pool, which is again their second pool here at Resorts World. Really pretty, lots of seating, and you're also going to find Monkey Business, which is a bar and slash restaurant with some little food options here at this pool. A unique little thing at this pool is they have this wrap around balcony, so it's really pretty. It goes all the way around the pool and you can see the entire island. It's absolutely stunning. And we are back in the lobby at the lobby bar. The lobby bar does sell alcohol, coffees, and some little pastries and desserts, so it's going to be right in the center. And then behind it is going to be a big seating area. There was a spot with a piano, but no one was ever playing it, but it's just a nice seating lounge area. And now we're at Hidden Treasure, which is the hotel's marketplace. Here you can find water, beer, liquor, wine, a few essentials that you may have forgotten at home, and then they have a ton of snacks like chips, and then they also have some cold food like sandwiches, fruit, and other meal options. And now on the left is going to be Corals, which is the resort's little shopping area. They have a bunch of Resorts World merch like t-shirts and hats. They also have Bimini merchandise like candles and more t-shirts and things like bathing suits, all types of little goodies here at Corals. And as we make our way to the casino, this is going to be Hemingway's, which is another Resorts World restaurant. Definitely a little bit smaller and a little bit more casual, but it is going to be directly next to the casino. And lastly, we are here at the casino. You're not allowed to record. They are very strict, so we were trying our best. We actually got yelled at by her in that scene. So we tried to give you guys the most content we could of the casino. That is going to be it for our Resorts World walkthrough. If you want to see a full room tour, that video is on our channel. And if you want to see any more Bimini or Resorts World content, check out our channel again. We did a great vacation here with tons of information, food, and a bunch of fun. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.